Hi guys, it's Les here over in West Yorkshire. Thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Well, today what we're doing is a little bit of self-mutilation. That's what we've just decided it's going to be called. Actually, what it is a little bit of self-dentistry. Do you remember I've been moaning for the last few months about loose teeth up here? Well, this one's not loose anymore, it's flapping. So this one's going to come out. But actually, the truth is I've only got what? 1, 2, 3, I've only got 4 teeth at the top. And these two at this side, they're on the way out, but they're still fairly solid. But the trouble is, if I take this tooth out, can you see that little gap there? That's where I already pulled a tooth out a few months ago. You remember that one? So, anyway, this time it's flapping like a good one, as you can see. So it needs coming out. But at the moment, it's very, very painful when you touch it, when you try and eat anything. Of course, it's not the tooth that's painful, it's the surrounding tissue that's painful. So it's, you know, you've got to get it out. Now, ideally, you should go to a dentist. A normal person would probably go to a dentist. But to be fair, I'm not NHS registered. I can't get on an NHS register. So for me to go down and have one tooth out, it's going to cost me like 65 quid. And probably 2 appointments, because you've got one for a checkup and then one to have the actual treatment, haven't you? Well, I ain't got time to be faffing around like that, to be fair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this one out of my sink, because it's nearly out anyway, right? With a bit of string, which we've always done, tied on door knobs and stuff like that. And I'll leave these two until circumstances change a little bit with this virus, because I'm not that overly confident about going to places like this. So I'm going to leave it a bit, because these two are solid enough that I can leave them alone for a while. But ideally, what I want is a new top plate, because there's a good chance now, when I remove this tooth, that this top plate won't actually fit. Do you know what I mean? Because there's no stopping it going that way horizontally. But only time's going to tell. So I'm going to take this out now. Just showing it. That's my top set, as they would say. And you'll notice on mine, they're actually steel, the metal underneath. So now I'm going to try and get this string around this tooth. So I've got my phone on reverse, if you like, front camera. Is that what you call it? Front camera, front camera. Look. It's a little bit awkward. Right, I got it on there. I think that'll be enough. And I'm going to get a little pull. Out she pops. Do you see that?
Oh, is it?
Do you see how quick that and easy that was? Absolutely no pain whatsoever. I just look a twat now because I've got no top teeth. But that's it. So that is how easy it is to do. So if you've got a really painful loose tooth and you're a little bit scared about going to the dentist, or you're concerned because it hurts when you're trying to eat, it's only because you're moving the tooth and it's banging against that sore, inflamed hole, gum. That's what's hurting, it's not the tooth. That's why it's come out without any pain and no blood. There's no blood because the bone had already rejected the tooth, so the tooth is already dead. It's just literally then there'll be a little scrap of flesh. So there I am, like that now. Let me try these, see if they fit. Oh. I've got a fit, but I've got
a gap.
I've got a right gap. I could smoke a pipe again and put it in there, couldn't I? It's like Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. So anyway, there you go. Self-instructions. It's not a rotten tooth, I don't know if you can see that. It's not actually a bad tooth. What it is I've got very thin sinuses, but I've also, because I'm diabetic, any kind of infection or anything that has a reaction. So when I get a sinus infection, because you've got nowhere to go because it's bone like, innit, it shoves me palate down and that ejects my teeth. So over my lifetime, every time I've had infections in my thing, I've had to shove my teeth back, you know, like this, as if they're in plasticine. So that's 2 for my collection. Anyway, that's it for this video, folks. Let me see if I can do any tricks with it now. Wait, no, a square. Let's see if I can do that.
Perfect square.
Just Popeye. Anyway, that's it for Dentistry 101. Adios for now.
come out easier.
Look at that.